Hi guys, my name is Renata Rensky. In this video, I want to demonstrate how I prep my station before my client comes in and before I will draw their eyebrows. My favorite tool is Anastasia at Beverly Hills palette, disposable ruler, threading thread like this. I like this by Vanity because it has a very thin thread, so it creates very nice eyebrow. So what I do, I take a Chinese marker and I mark the white thread with a black color, and this way we can do eyebrow mapping on your client face like this. I like to use this ruler. We have caliper and we have different brushes. This brush is for brushing the eyebrows when you're making a drawing so it looks diffused. An angle brush and a little bit of a fluffy brush. Thank you for watching, guys.